Hey, it's Gareth and Janet, Port Monkeys, and we're today in Stanley in the Falkland Islands, and that's the museum. So we've walked down to the museum. You can't avoid being in it. And there's some cannons left over from the war, I guess. I want to show you this harpoon. This is how we used to get our whales. Do you miss the taste of whale? Oh, I don't. Propeller, it's free entrance because your port charge is paid for entrance into it. So we're going to walk up here and walk down one of the streets in Stanley back to where the tenders pull in, the water shuttles. Might look like we're going a back way, but I just wanted to show you these are the male and female toilets. So if you need to go to the bathroom, they're public. They're super clean, but they don't have paper towels.
They have hand dryer stuff.
Yeah, they have those blow dryers. Who wants to use that? Not me. I just drip dry or pants dry, right? Now, this part of town is really crowded with tourists, if you know what I mean. And cars. Let's go. So that's St. Mary's Catholic Church. This is the post office. There's a couple of those red phone booths and a red mail drop with a GR on it. Well, I don't think that's open. I don't know.
Is it open?
Maybe if you push harder. I didn't want to bother.
School?
Standard Chartered?
No, I'm thinking it's this next building. There's a sign.
Let's go up above the hedge. Here's the headquarters of the police. HM Prison Service.
Police.
Huh.
So I'm not sure.
You could see off in the distance a water shuttle heading back to the ship. The ship can't come in the harbor here, so it's anchored on the other side of those hills, which of course you can't see. So, like I said, a lot of people. In a few minutes, we're going to pay $20 for a shuttle bus that's going to take us over where there may be penguins. And if there are, well, you're going to see another 360 video of penguins, aren't you? And several other videos and shorts and whatnot. I think that's fire and rescue. They're just out for a Saturday drive. It's Saturday here. Hi.
Hi.
See, the locals. Look, there's a mast, I think, off a ship, and some cannons. Old school cannons, though. And a derelict dock. And the streets go up the hill, and then that's about the end of town, just so you know. One of the locals said there's about 3,000 people living here. On the ship, the port expert or whatever said about 2,000, so I'm going to say 2,000 to 3,000. How's that sound? We're getting back very close to where the shuttles take you and pick you up. Just a couple more buildings down. I'm gonna run out of time for my video. I got a few more minutes. I'm gonna walk over to this side. That sidewalk is too crowded, too many people trying to walk on it. Plus, you should see the water here. It's super clear. Wow, this grass is bouncy. That'd be fun. Can you see how clear the water is? The West Store, Falkland Islands Company, was up there. There are a couple of gift shops here and there, and several landmines right here. You know what I mean. I hope I can get through up here. Anyhow, if you see that boat over there, right in front of it on this side is one of the ship's tenders. So that's the tender dock right there. And that's the big old church. Right there. With the whalebone monument, statue. I don't know what you want to call it. It's whale bones. Let's walk into it. There, Falkland Islands Company, FIC. We're gonna have to run across the street here. Car. All right, I wanted to get Janet up here so we could say goodbye.
Excuse me, can you
Hi.
take one picture of hers?
In just a moment, I'm recording.